Today we're gonna be reviewing Konshens, Sean Paul, and Vybz Addy the Daddy. Okay, song called Power Move. Addy do it again. Him do it again. I'm gonna try to stop him and do it again. Alright. So we're gonna break down the lyrics. I got my book right here, Real Soul Flow TV style. And we're gonna get into the song, Power Move. So if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on this song, please keep on watching your girl. I say, my girl, you want Konshens and you want Kartel. You want Kartel. And then somebody come and say, sample this bitch. And then Konshens start the chorus by saying, whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Boy, this funeral and a hospital. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. And then Addy start the first verse and say, them no see where me I go. Them no see where me I go. Fool, them still a suffocate in the dust. No matter how me beat them, them never have enough. I would that Addy talk about. I would Addy beat more than one time. Alright, so then he say, yard people really tough. A grenade. 1 second delayed. Them a run. We run without relay. Still aim. Then he say, shell them down, the boss remain. Me been there. Me stop in the air, come back. Been there and done that. Is there a number to set the standard and defend the culture? Even with gunshot, people still a puncture. You better prepare for judgment, walk, thunder. Immortal comeback. Immortal combat. We laugh and bust that. We now go back down, gravity, fuck that. And then the Konshens go in the chorus again and say, whole heap of money and whole heap of girl, whole heap of money and whole heap of girl, whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. And then Sean Paul come into the second verse and say, SP low fat sexy girl, give me the doctor, give me the cop. Give me the doctor, give me the cop, sexy girl. Me no want no broke body girl, Give me the pearly white or the mad black girl. No give me no talk. Me will take away a girl. Drop her off, the little brown in the flex and a lurk. Call her and make she come twerk. Make she come twerk. Me think she did marry Sean Paul. When me talk about it, nothing no funny. Don't talk to me if you don't talk money. Bank account feel bright and sunny. The things them are link in the front of me. The tongues them are link in the front of the sunny. Don't talk too hard or you would get a box down from one of the hot head in the background. Sunday I pray from money, I bear money, girls, and we. And in court, it goes to the court, and whole heap of money, and whole heap of girl. And then Konshens say, count up, girl pan top of the girl, so at the place. Count up, girl pan top of girl, so the place crowd up. Money enough, blindfold, fold up. Gangster don't fold money, everything roll up. Which pussy want them head roll up? Them a tough up, them face and long up them mouth. We links them tall, we no run up mouth. We kill them softly, we no load up. We no care where you come from. Could a par with a 50,000 gunman. Kiss Charlotte, Riverton man. We leave your body in a sour, give me fat pussy, Susan. Me have 2 pack of condom, we no broke yet. We no pose with girl. If you see DK with your woman, you know what the damn conclusion. And then he go into the chorus and sing again. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Boy, this funeral in the hospital. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Whole heap of money and whole heap of girl. Boy, this funeral in the hospital. And honestly, I like the song. Me like how they're taking dancehall to the international scene with this song. And I love seeing collaborations with dancehall artists. Like, me love collabs. I actually really love collabs because I feel like in dancehall music everybody bring their certain flavor, everybody bring their own certain twist and flair to a song when they do collaborations. So I really love this song, and I actually really like Sean Paul verse. Sean Paul big up the girl them. Even though all them big up the girl them in the song. And the part that stood out to me in the song was when Konshens said, "So what, give me fat pussy Susan, me have 2 pack of condom when I broke yet. We don't pose with girl if you see Jayan with your woman, you already know what the conclusion there. Me have 2 pack of condom when I broke it." And as you guys know, Konshens' brother killed himself because he supposedly got HIV/AIDS from his girlfriend. And I love that Konshens actually on here promoting safe sex. Okay, I can dig it. I can definitely dig this because enough people there in Jamaica they spread STD and HIV without even knowing it, and it's up to you guys to be protected and get tested. Okay, get tested. If you're right, you need to get tests every 3 to 6 months, especially if you're with different partners. So me love this song. Kartel are doing things them can't keep up with Kartel, and I love this little collaboration because I feel like this is one of the songs that is going to be like a anthem, like Boxing Day, Jamaica, Christmas thing going into the New Year's. I feel like this is gonna be an anthem, and the man them can relate and the woman them can relate to this song. So I actually really like it a lot. Here is the review for Power Move with Konshens, Sean Paul, and Vybz Kartel. I love the song. I feel like they need to make a dope music video for it. Like one music video like Real Youth that Kartel just dropped a few days ago. The concept to that, I actually really love the concept of that music video. So Kartel they're jail and they do music video like that. Konshens and Sean Paul there wrote, so I know they can kill this music video and do it to the utmost, like to the 10th degree, to the 10th power, and kill it. So if you said this can push this song over the edge and let this song cross over to the international field, because the sound of this song remind me of something that Major Lazer would do, and I feel like this song can go far, especially with Sean Paul on it. We feel like it can go far, very far. And as I was saying, they need to make a really good music video for it, and that can also push it internationally. And I want to take the time out to say shout out to everybody new and old subscriber here on my YouTube channel. Thank you for the love and support here on my channel. That's my thoughts and opinions on Power Move It Up. What else me have to say? I did definitely it have it up. Deuce! I'm out of here.